A 1979 CB750 Honda has 4 carburetors. They tend to get very fussy during days like today. And so if you want to start your engine on a day like today, actually tomorrow's going to be a very sunny day, but I love starting my engine anyway every day if I could, just to say hello to it. There's a secret way I do it, not a secret way, but it's a certain way I do it. And I like to share that, and it's a really cool way to do it. So let me show you how to do it. Okay, what I like to do is we're using, by the way, these new glasses. They're only about 30 bucks, I think, from Amazon, and they put you in my eyes. So therefore, you see basically what I'm looking at. And what I'm doing right now is I'm warming the carburetors in the manifold area of the engine, and therefore, again, if you will, building a little bit more pressure in terms of the fuel that's in there at the moment to assist combustion. And I did have to gently awaken the battery, because the battery was basically saying, oh, we're down 50% since you've been playing with it, doing other things today, like fixing lights and so forth. Let's see where we are now. Oh, battery's at 95%. See what they're trying. We can open the rear door. Whoa! Ready? Okay, darling. Put my rear door up. There you go. Turn this off. Yep. Come on, baby. Alright. He's ready. Oh, yeah. There's go out of me. There he is. Now, a little bit of tap that I've been listening to tends to want to go away. Actually warmed a little bit. So I plan on, if you will, letting it warm off, and then listen to that tap again. Again, we have a wet day. Tomorrow's going to be a nice sunny day. And tomorrow, we're most definitely going to go riding. During when she takes a winter break, so when the snow's down and all that, then we're gonna, oh, it's alright, sweetheart, wake up, it's alright, darling, okay. Anyway, then we'll do the valves, tap the valves a little bit more, and work on our carbs a little bit more. Carbs have been worked on a lot already. What I don't want to do is have them gunked up due to the fuel and all that crap. And I avoided that last year, and I'm hoping to avoid that this year too. We're having so much backfire, I was like, oh. But anyway, better warm up a little bit. Lights are working nice? Yes, lights are working nice, okay. Board working nice? Oh, good enough. Let's see, the voltage is down here. That voltage I do not like with that RPM. So I gotta look at maybe the stator, I'm not sure. I did check out this cable, and I want to make sure that cable is not greasy, not overheating. It is not greasy, and it's not overheating. When I put the tube up with this cement, I happen to love it, by the way. We have all the baffles on and everything. I wonder how it sounds in the video with this new glasses. Let me see, I'm gonna check this out. Hold on. Alright, darling, you ready? Just a little tickle. Alright, enough. There we go. So now we're 12, 5, or whatever. Same mileage. It's going to be enough. Good morning, darling. Sound nice, though. You gotta admit, you do sound nice. Oh. Now let's listen to that tap again. For that, so I listen to it down in this area. You're not wet, are you? No, you're not wet. Are you wet? You're not wet. No, I just feel like you wear a baby's diaper all the time. Like, honestly. I mean, I raised 3 children, and for 9 years, it seems like I had to feel baby's diapers. And it's almost the same thing with a bloody motorcycle. You know, are you wet? You know. Okay. Anyway, that's cool. Alright, Donald, thank you. I have to go get a flag that just got shredded and put it up over there.